Why? कितना देरी? Is being read. Why? To get knowledge. To get knowledge. Have been reading. Have been reading.
पढ़ाया जा रहा है।
पढ़ता आ रहा है।
पढ़ता आ रहा है।
हाँ। Who has been reading? Who has been reading?
He has been reading.
Where has he been reading?
He has
been reading.
He has been reading to morning.
In the morning. In the morning. And where has he been reading in the morning?
He has been reading in the morning to townhouse.
Why has he been reading in his house in the morning?
He has been reading in the morning his own house because Pandit Tiwari sir taught.
Yes, sir. He went.
वह गया.
Make interrogative sentence. Where did he go? Where did he go?
Where did you go?
He went to market.
He went to Patna.
He went to market.
He went to school.
Why did he go to Patna?
To buy books.
Full sentence.
He went to Patna. He went to Patna to buy book.
When did he go to Patna to buy books? When did he go to Patna to buy books?
He went to Patna to buy books in evening.
With whom did he go to Patna to buy books? With whom? किसके साथ?
He went to Patna to buy books in evening with his father.
Very good. Is being played.
खेला जा रहा है.
गए.
खेला जा रहा है.
What is being played?
Cricket is being played.
Where is cricket being played?
Cricket is being played in the ground.
When is cricket being played in the ground?
Cricket is being played in the morning.
In the ground कौन बोलेगा?
Cricket is being played in the ground in the
evening.
Why is cricket being played in the ground in the evening?
Cricket is being played in the playground in the evening for health.
Yes. With who is doing
कर रहा है.
Yes, is doing कर रहा है. Who is doing?
He is doing.
What is he doing?
He is
doing his homework.
Where is he doing English homework?
He is doing his English homework at home.
When is he doing homework at house? When?
He is He is
He is doing
he is doing
he is doing
homework at home
homework
in
in the
evening.
evening in the
Why is he doing homework at home in the evening?
He is doing.
He is doing homework at home in evening. In evening.
Why? Why?
because he wants to know more things.
Yes, because other to know more things. To से भी हम दे सकते हैं. To know more things.
Sir,
Has been sent. Has been sent. Has been sent.
फिर से बोलिए.
Has been sent.
Sir, has या
भेजा
have?
गया है.
भेजा गया है.
हाँ
भेजा
भेजा
गया
गया.
है.
But थैंक यू प्रिंस बोले हैं.
सर हम भी बोले हैं.
आप
हम भी बोले
प्रिंस भी बोले हैं.
यस सर, बाद में.
Yes, has been sent भेजा गया है. What has been sent?
Letter has been sent.
Where has letter been sent?
Letter has been sent in
In post
Patna.
office.
What? When has letter been sent in the post office?
Letter has been posted in post office in morning.
Why has a letter been sent in the post office in the morning?
Letter has been sent. Letter has been sent in the morning because
right friend.
Yes, letter has been sent in the morning in the post office to invite friends. Why? Why? To
Letter has been
celebrate birthday.
Celebrate the birthday party.
To celebrate birthday. A letter has been sent to my friend to invite him on my birthday. Was digging.
खोद रहा था.
Who was digging?
King was digging.
Huh?
No
King
sir,
was digging.
no sir, hermit was digging.
Hermit was digging.
What was hermit digging?
Hermit was digging the
Hermit
base
was
of
digging the
base
ground.
of
Why was the hermit digging the ground?
the hermit was digging the ground to grow vegetable.
To grow vegetable. अच्छा. A king came.
दिया.
King came.
King राजा आया.
Where did the king come? Where did the king come?
The king came.
come.
The king. No sir, the king came. The king came to hermitage.
To hermitage. Why did the king come to the hermitage?
The king came to the hermitage to know his three answers.
Yes. Have been returned.
आया
वापस
गया है.
आया है.
दिया गया है.
दिया गया. What has been returned?
Pencil
football.
pencil have been returned.
Pencil has been returned. Pencil एक है इसलिए has आएगा. Pencil has been returned. And when has pencil been returned?
Pencil has been
Returned in the morning.
Why has pencil been returned in the morning?
Pencil has been returned in
Pencil has been returned in the morning.
night.
Yes. So now can you ask me some questions? इसी प्रकार से मुझे पूछ दीजिए कि मुझसे पूछे तो मैं बोलता हूँ I am going to answer and you will ask me a question like that.
Was playing.
हाँ
Was playing.
yes
Sir, was playing.
what
Was
play
playing.
what play
Yes, sir.
Was playing.
नहीं पहले स्ट्रक्चर पूछिए पहले स्ट्रक्चर
Yes, sir.
Yes,
वही
sir.
तो पूछ
Was
रहे हैं.
playing.
Was playing.
Playing.
was playing खेल रहा था
What was
Who was
playing?
राम
Who was playing?
Ram was playing
Ram
Where was
was
Ram
playing.
was playing?
What was playing? Ram.
Where was Ram playing?
हाँ Ram was playing in the ground
So
What was
Was
Ram playing?
Playing
What Ram
in the
was
ground.
playing?
What was Ram playing?
Ram
the
was
ground.
playing football
Why
Ram was playing
why was
football.
Ram
Playing in the
playing in the
ground.
Ram
football?
was playing
Football.
football.
अच्छा एक एक करके हाँ
सर पहले हम पूछिए.
हाँ दूसरा वर्ब से
Was played. सर दूसरा वर्ब से was played.
was played खेला
Yes, sir.
गया
What was played?
football was played
When football was played.
when was football played ऐसा होगा when was football played the football was
Yes, sir.
played in the evening
Football was played in evening.
फिर गड़बड़ी
Sir, when football was played
no
in the evening.
no when was football played ऐसा होगा इसे बोलिए
Yes, sir. When was football played in the evening?
अरे when तो पूछ ही रहे हैं तो in the evening कैसे in the evening मैं जवाब दूंगा when was football played ऐसा पूछिए the football
Yes.
was played in the evening
Where was football played in the evening?
हाँ football was played in the evening in the school playground
With whom football was played?
फिर गड़बड़े
in the-
फिर गड़बड़े फिर गड़बड़े
तो क्या हुआ गड़बड़ी?
तब with whom was football played ना होगा
Was football
was पहले
played?
हाँ
Yes, sir. With whom was played football in the evening?
नहीं with whom was football played ऐसा होगा
सर वही तो हम बोले हैं.
हाँ ओहो हाँ फिर से बोलिए
With whom was football played in the evening in the playground?
yes football was played in the evening with all the students of class 7
Yes, sir, हो गया.
yes now Vaibhav
What was being played?
and Rosni you be ready after Vaibhav Rosni you be ready after
Sir,
Vaibhav yes, Vaibhav start
Sir, was being thrown.
फेंका जा रहा था
What was being thrown?
cricket ball was being thrown
ये ऐसा क्या हो गया तुम्हारे में?
Where the cricket ball was being thrown.
नहीं
तुम लिख ही रही है.
नहीं
चुप है.
क्लास नहीं हो रहा है.
फिर से वैभव फिर से
Sir, where was the cricket ball thrown?
being thrown being
Yes, sir,
छूट
being
गया।
thrown.
The cricket ball was being thrown by Roshan Mahanama
Sir, Sir, where? Sir, where वाला?
In the Wankhede Stadium.
By whom the ball was being thrown in Wankhede Stadium?
The cricket ball was being thrown by Rohit Sharma in Wankhede Stadium.
Why was the ball was thrown by Rohit Sharma in Wankhede Stadium?
Yes, cricket. Hello, sound आ रहा कहीं से? Cricket ball was being thrown by Rohit Sharma in Wankhede Stadium to take the wicket of Roshan Mahanama. देख रहे हैं, आप लोग सब सुन रहे हैं, देख रहे हैं, इस प्रकार से प्रैक्टिस होती है इंग्लिश सीखने के लिए। जब हम इस प्रकार से प्रैक्टिस करते हैं, हम अच्छे स्पीकर बन सकते हैं। सब समझ लीजिए अच्छी तरह से। सबको समझ में बात आ रही है?
Yes, sir.
अलग अलग टेंस पर इसी तरह से बनाते हैं। Now, रोशनी, according to list, रोशनी।
रोशनी के बाद
रोशनी, रोशनी लापता हो गई क्या? अभी थी रोशनी?
रोशनी है।
Is it audible, रोशनी? Okay. Next. Yes. Now who will speak? Roshni is not present. Who will speak? Who will ask question? Who can dare? है किसी में दम?
Yes, sir.
निकलो। हाँ।
Yes, sir. Is being called.
Only two have presented.
Sir.
Prince.
Is being called. Is being called.
Is being called. Yes, बुलाया जा रहा है।
Who is being called?
Sikha has been being called.
Where Rekha is being called.
नहीं, where is Sikha? Sikha से
Where
आ जाएगा।
Where is Sikha being called?
Sikha is being called in the principal's office.
Where Sikha is being called in principal's office. Why?
Yes,
Why?
Yes, Sikha is being called in the principal's office to give the Aadhaar card.
Where Sikha is called in office.
Where is Sikha being called? Hello. डन हो गया। आवाज क्लियर नहीं आई? रोशनी, she is not ready. Anyone else? Thank you, Prince. Very good. Anyone else? किसी भी टेंस पर
सर हम बोले।
कौन है हम कौन है?
वैभव। वैभव।
आप तो बनाए हैं।
वैभव।
सर हम।
यस, किसी भी टेंस पर 23 में से किसी पर कैन शुड, आसान वाला में कैन शुड आप कर सकते हैं। दूसरे में दिक्कत होगी तो कैन शुड पर बना सकते हैं।
टेस्ट कर हम पूछेंगे।
यस, स्टार्ट। शुड सो
Yes.
क्या क्या फिर से एक बार?
Sir.
आवाज क्लियर नहीं है। Anyone else? रोमा
हम
आवाज
पूछे।
क्लियर नहीं आ रही है।
सर हम बोले
सर हम बोले
हाँ बोलिए।
शुड बी प्लेड।
शुड बी प्लेड, खेला जाना चाहिए।
व्हाट शुड बी प्लेड।
फुटबॉल शुड बी प्लेड।
क्या पूछ
यस,
वेयर शुड बी प्लेड।
वेयर शुड फुटबॉल बी प्लेड। फुटबॉल छूट गया। द फुटबॉल शुड बी प्लेड इन द प्लेग्राउंड।
व्हाई फुटबॉल शुड प्ले इन दी
नहीं
प्लेग्राउंड।
नहीं, फुटबॉल से पहले शुड आएगा।
अच्छा,
आई शुड
व्हाई शुड फुटबॉल प्ले इन दी प्लेग्राउंड।
आप बी कहाँ चला गया? बी कहाँ चला गया?
Why should be football play in the
No,
playground?
no. Why should
Sir, बोले
football be played? Why should football be played? The football should be played for strength, physical, for good health. Football should be played in the playground for good health. थैंक यू। ये ज्योति थी क्या?
Yes sir.
थैंक यू ज्योति। नेक्स्ट
सर हम पूछे
Is buying.
सी इज बाइंग, खरीद रही है।
What is buying?
सी इज बाइंग वेजिटेबल्स।
He is buying
अरे
the
कितना
vegetable.
कितना मिक्स कर दे। फिर से
When she is
नहीं, सी नहीं, सी एक मिनट, सी इज नहीं। वेन क्वेश्चन है तो सी से पहले इज आ जाएगा।
when is she buying the vegetable?
फिर से once again.
When is she buying the vegetable?
Yes, she is buying vegetable in the evening.
From where is she buying the vegetable?
देखो अब कितना आसान हो गया। थोड़ा सा प्रैक्टिस करने पर थोड़ा सा आसान हो गया। यही होता है, थोड़ा प्रैक्टिस घर में बैठ करके करेंगे तो बहुत आसान हो जाएगा। She is buying vegetable in the evening. क्या पूछी थी किससे? या in the market. In the market.
Why is she was buying the vegetable in the evening from market?
Yes, the she is buying vegetable in the evening in the market because Jha sir has come as a guest. Next. और कोई? अब कितने नंबर में आ गया लीजिए? वैभव, अनु, वैभव, प्रिंस, ज्योति, रोमा, 4। आप देख लीजिए, यही तरीका है सीखने का। एकदम जज कर लीजिए। रोशनी आई कि गई? रोशनी
नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम की वजह से कट जा रहा है।
एक क्वेश्चन बना अभी कोई स्ट्रक्चर पर क्वेश्चन पूछिए मुझसे। कैन यू डू? रोशनी
सर आवाज ही नहीं आ रहा है ठीक से।
मेरा आवाज नहीं पहुंच रहा है। मैं तो यहाँ से फोन टेक कर रहा हूँ तभी से। निहारिका
यस सर।
yes start today I want to give you how to learn English कैसे सीखते हैं वो मैं बतला रहा हूँ। इससे बेहतर और कोई तरीका नहीं है, आप समझ गए होंगे। यस
सर।
हाँ
will be played
फिर से
will be played
यस खेला जाएगा अपना प्ले वर्ब है, कोई दूसरा वर्ब नहीं मिला। विल बी प्लेड खेला जाएगा। ओके एक बार कर लीजिए। विल बी प्लेड खेला जाएगा।
what will be played
गुली डंडा विल बी प्लेड।
why will गुली डंडा बी प्लेड।
वेयर और व्हेन छूट गया पहले, वाई सबसे लास्ट में है।
वेयर गुली डंडा वेयर विल गुली डंडा बी प्लेड।
हाँ गुली डंडा विल बी प्लेड इन द कोर्ट यार्ड।
when गुली डंडा when will गुली डंडा बी प्लेड।
हाँ गुली डंडा will be played in the courtyard in the evening।
why will गुली डंडा be played in courtyard।
हाँ गुली डंडा will be played in the courtyard in the evening to learn how to strike। वेरी गुड। निहारिका भी ऐड हो गई। एनी मोर? रोशनी ओहो वहां पर वो उसका नेट ही काम नहीं कर रहा है। ओके नाउ टेक आउट द बुक। और इसी प्रकार से आपको अब आधे घंटा प्रतिदिन जो बच्चा प्रैक्टिस करेगा वो बहुत जल्दी सीख जाएगा। टेक आउट बुक, वी विल डू एक्सरसाइज। अब आप कहाँ छोड़े थे
सर?
यस मनु कहाँ छोड़े थे? बुक
सर
में
दूसरा चैप्टर सर तीसरा चैप्टर स्टार्ट करना है, पूरा खत्म हो गया।
एक ग्रामर वाला पूरा खत्म हो गया।
नो सर नहीं खत्म हुआ है, डिस्कस टू आंसर बाकी है।
डिस्कस टू आंसर
यस सर।
डिस्कस टू आंसर कहाँ है? ये पेज नंबर
सर पेज नंबर 19।
अरे
19 पे
19।
ओके सर द क्वेश्चन इन वन सेंटेंस। तो ये तो मैं कहा था आप लोगों को लिखने के लिए। Does the poet succeed in creating an undercurrent of industrialization in the poem? Give reasons for your answer. Yes, because people shops were open and we have read there so many coopers, squeaking cork, cutters. These are the industrial productions. They were working on the industrial production. So you can answer this. जो इंडस्ट्री के सामान बनाते हैं वो सब बन रहा है इसमें, तो इसमें यस देना है और आपको वह लिख देना है। बिकॉज पीपल वेयर एंगेज्ड मेकिंग डिफरेंट थिंग्स, सीन्स, कॉर्क, ये सब पढ़े हैं कि नहीं? ओके।
Yes, sir.
What is the difference between the first half and the second half of the poem? The first half is the morning hour. There is too much sound. Clear है? First hour is the morning hour. The people are
Yes, sir.
engaged in doing technical work, and so the sound is produced. In the second half, the shops are open. The shops are open, and it is afternoon. आफ्टरनून कैसे है आपको पता चल रहा है कि नहीं?
सर क्योंकि शॉप्स खुला हुआ है।
यस, शॉप्स खुला हुआ है, एक तो वो है, और क्या है? नाउ यू सी द लास्ट लाइन देखिए, थिंग्स इन द ग्रीन एबिस द पोर्टर नाउ बियर्स हिज ह्यूज लोड अलोंग द बर्निंग वे। तो बर्निंग वे दिया हुआ है,
Yes, sir.
वे मीन्स रास्ता, बर्निंग मीन्स जलता हुआ
यस
रास्ता।
सर। सर क्योंकि सूरज की रोशनी से गर्म हो गया होगा।
ये आफ्टरनून का है। That is the difference between the first part and the second part. Is it clear now? इसको लिख लेंगे। अब आ जाइए वर्ड्स इन यूज, इमेजिनरी, विजुअल, ऑडिटरी एंड टैक्टाइल। क्लियर? तो विजुअल में
Yes, sir.
लिखिए, विजुअल में लिखिए sultry smoke। विजुअल में लिखिए sultry smoke।
Salty smoke.
हाँ।
Yes, sir.
dingy face।
सर सल्ट्री स्मोक के बाद
dingy face।
Dingy face.
हाँ, dingy face। लिख लिए?
Yes, sir.
वेंडर, वेंडर, DOR लिखिएगा।
Yes, sir.
बुक में गलत स्पेलिंग है, वेंडर।
Yes, sir.
VENDOR.
ग्लिटरिंग पेन, PANE, ग्लिटरिंग पेन।
सर क्या बोल रहे हैं?
ग्लिटरिंग पेन, PANE, ग्लिटरिंग पेन। अब ऑडिटरी में लिखिए, ऑडिटरी मीन्स जिसे सुना जा सकता है, सुनने वाला। अब विजुअल मीन्स देखने वाला, ऑडिटरी मीन्स सुनने वाला। तो